This is day 9, fixing the rust on my MX-5, getting it ready for its MOT retest. Today I had to jack up the car a bit higher because I couldn't really fit underneath. Sand as much as I can back and cut and get this side ready. Cut some of the inner seal out, which is the rusted parts. Just need to cut some of this part in here. But as you can see, it's pretty damaged here, so I might have to weld in a new plate on this side. But we're definitely gonna need a new inner seal, this seal, and an outer seal. Tune in for day 10 while we try to figure this out.